Welcome back to Europe House Tour. In today's video, we're heading to Orsomarso, a small town in Calabria in southern Italy. And here, we're looking at two homes right in the historic center. Both of them open out toward the valley and the surrounding nature. And both start at prices of just 16,000 to 23,000 euros. That is the kind of number that can make people pause for a moment, simply because it sits so far below what most of us usually picture when we think about property in Europe. But that is only part of the story. The first home is listed at 23,000 euros, with around 85 square meters of space, plus a private garden, an extra outbuilding, and a terrace looking straight over the Fiume Argentino Valley. The second one may be even more striking on paper, because it is offered at just 16,000 euros, for a total of 177 square meters. Those two numbers alone are already enough to create the feeling that these could be very accessible opportunities. But what really matters is that, like many homes in the low price segment, these two properties are not cheap in the same way. One comes with a lot of extra space around it, so it feels less like buying a single house and more like stepping into a small whole setting of its own. The other leans heavily on size with an extremely low price per square meter. But behind that number, there may be a renovation story that is far more complicated than it first appears. And if you think a little deeper, the real story here may no longer be about cheap or expensive at all. It may be about what you are actually looking for. Is it a place to come back to for a few months each year, somewhere far from fast routines and rising living costs? Or is it a long-term project where you are willing to put in more time, more money, and more effort to turn something unfinished into a complete place to live? Because if you've been watching videos like this for long enough, you start to notice something. What many people are looking for is no longer glamour and no longer a home that feels perfect from day one. What they want is something with manageable costs, risks they can actually understand, and most importantly, a long-term plan that fits their own life. And that is exactly why we make videos like this. Not to find the homes that simply look best in pictures, but to look with you at options with lower entry prices than the wire market, with clear enough data to check properly, and more importantly, homes that can be placed inside a real plan, not just a quick emotional decision. So take your time with this one. There is no pressure to decide anything right now. If you find this kind of content helpful, you can like and subscribe to support the channel. That really helps us keep going and keep bringing you more interesting homes in the journeys ahead. And now, let's begin with the first property. The first apartment takes us to Orsomarso, a small town tucked deep into Calabria, where the first thing you feel is not energy or noise, but a very clear kind of stillness. This is the kind of place where life does not get pushed forward too fast. The narrow streets, the old stone houses, and the landscape opening out over the Fiume Argentino Valley create a rhythm that feels very different from busier coastal areas. The sea is not right outside the door, but it is only about 15 kilometers away, close enough to still be part of life, yet far enough to preserve the quiet of a mountain town. And in that setting, the first apartment appears with a price that makes people stop. 23,000 euros for around 85 square meters. Broken down by size, that comes to about 271 euros per square meter. That is a number sitting well below the wider market. The average asking price in Orsomarso is currently around 551 euros per square meter. Across the province of Cosenza, the average is about 944 euros, and across Calabria as a whole, it is around 960 euros per square meter. That means this home is being offered at roughly 50% below the local market and more than 70% below the wider provincial and regional averages. But what makes this property different is not only the price, it's the way the whole place is put together. This is not just a simple apartment. It includes the main living space, a large terrace overlooking the valley, a private garden, a small outbuilding, an attic level with 2 rooms, and even a wood storage area at street level. So you are not simply buying one home, you are buying a group of different spaces, and each one opens up a different possible use. That is exactly what gives this property a very different story from many other low-cost homes. The panoramic terrace facing the Fiume Argentino Valley is not just an extra feature, it is the thing that shapes the feeling of the place. The private garden and the small outbuilding open the door to several different renovation ideas. And the attic level, even though it would need careful checks on legal status and real usability, still adds another layer of depth to the home in terms of potential. If we think about daily life, Orsomarso is not the kind of place where everything sits right outside your door, but it's not completely isolated either. Farmacia Sant'Anna is right in Piazza Municipio. The local school, SM Orsomarso, is on Via Roma. Piazza Torricelli has bus connections down to Scala, about 15 kilometers away, where you find more services and also the nearest coastal access. Lamezia Terme Airport is around 103 kilometers away. All of that makes it pretty clear that this is not a place built for a fast lifestyle. It's a place for someone who is comfortable with a slower rhythm and less pressure. From a financial point of view, €271 per square meter clearly leaves some room to work with, especially when it comes with things like a large terrace, a private garden, and extra supporting spaces. Those are the kinds of features that can add a lot of perceived value after renovation. But this is also where the most important part needs to be faced directly, because all of those advantages also come with a much higher level of complexity. This is not a simple project. The fact that there are so many spaces means there are more things to deal with. The attic may not be legally recognized as full living space. The legal boundaries of the garden and the outbuilding need to be checked carefully. The electrical system, plumbing, roof, and structure all need to be reassessed. And because the property sits inside a historic center, renovation work may also be limited by local rules and approvals. In other words, this is not the kind of home you buy and move into right away. It is a project that could turn into a very distinctive living space, but only if you really understand what you are taking on and have the resources to carry it all the way through. Still, when you place all of that next to a purchase price of €23,000, the overall picture is strong enough to make people think seriously. This is not a short-term investment. It is also not the right choice for someone who wants simplicity from day one, but for someone looking for a place to shape gradually, a space they can personalize, and a slower, lighter way of life, it is still a property worth thinking about. And maybe this is the real question worth asking yourself here. When a home in the historic center of Orsomarso, with a terrace overlooking the valley, a private garden, an outbuilding, and a price of €23,000 appears on the market, what do you notice first? The chance to create a living space that feels truly your own, or the full amount of work and cost waiting behind that number? If the first home gives you the feeling of a living space made up of different layers and different pieces, then the second one goes in a completely different direction. It does not try to impress through variety of function. Instead, it leans hard into one very clear thing: size. We are still in Orsomarso, still in a small town set between the Fiume Argentino Valley and the wider Polino area. But this time, what makes people stop is not a terrace or a private garden. It is the number 177 square meters, paired with a price of just €16,000. And if you do the math, the price per square meter comes out to around €90. That is an extremely low figure, not only for Orsomarso itself, but even when compared with the wider Calabria market. The average price in Orsomarso is currently around €551 per square meter. Across the province of Cosenza, it is around €944, and across Calabria as a whole, it is around €960 per square meter. That means this property is being offered at more than 80% below the local market and close to 90% below the wider provincial and regional levels. That alone is enough to make a lot of people feel like this must be a bargain. A space this large with an entry price this low sounds almost too good to be real. But just like with the first home, the important part is not the opening number. It is everything that comes behind it. This property is a 2-level apartment with 6 rooms, its own entrance, and a balcony looking out over the surrounding landscape. It doesn't come with many eye-catching extras like a garden or an outbuilding. But in this case, the large size creates a completely different kind of equation, because the more space you have, the more work there is to deal with. If you picture it realistically, a house of nearly 180 square meters that needs full renovation does not mean fixing a few rooms. It means dealing with almost everything: electrical work, plumbing, insulation, structure, roof, and possibly even rethinking the internal layout if you want the space to function better. And that is exactly where the biggest strength of this property also becomes its biggest risk. The large size creates potential, but it also creates cost. Not just the cost of materials, but the cost of time, labor, and all the extra expenses that are very hard to see clearly before the work begins. On top of that, because the property is inside the historic center, renovation is not always straightforward. Local rules around construction, materials, and structural changes can limit what you are allowed to do. And sometimes bringing an old space back to a good usable condition is not only a matter of money, it is also a matter of paperwork, approvals, and time. In terms of location, the property still shares the same general reality as the rest of Orsomarso. You have the pharmacy, the school, and the bus stop in town. And if you need more services, you would go down to Scalia, around 15 kilometers away. The sea is at a similar distance, so it's not far, but it's also not the kind of place where you step outside and reach the coast without making a trip. That puts this home in a fairly clear category. It's not for someone who wants an easy holiday place near the sea, ready to use. It's not an easy short-term income property either.
What it feels like instead is a very large, very rough shell that you could shape in almost any direction if you have the resources and the patience to do it. And maybe that's exactly where people will react differently. Some will look at 177 square meters for 16,000 euros and see a rare opportunity, a space large enough to become almost anything they want. Others will look at the same number and see a project that is simply too big, too demanding, and too far from what they are actually looking for. So if we say it honestly, this is not a home for most people, but for a smaller group of buyers with experience, a clear plan, and the willingness to follow a longer path, it could still be a starting point worth thinking about. And if it were you, standing in front of a home of nearly 180 square meters priced at just 16,000 euros, what would feel stronger to you first, the potential of all that space, or the full weight of the cost and work it would take to turn it into somewhere truly livable?